Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Icon Overlord 3 Mesh Jacket. Are you ready for this? $215, man.
Whoa.
As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we never update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been 100% redesigned. This is the Icon Overlord 3 Mesh Jacket. Go ahead and tell them what you said after you put it on.
This thing's badass. I like this thing, man. So let's jump into sizing, move out of the way. Small man with very little hair or no hair. I don't have hair either. But I'm wearing a medium. I'm 170 pounds, 5'11", with a 41-inch chest and a 30-inch waist. And yeah, it's a medium. It's slim fit, and I love this thing. This is super awesome.
And it's only $215.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Obviously, this is a hot weather jacket, nice summertime jacket. It does come with a fully removable quilted vest liner, so you can zip it in and out to kind of regulate temperature a little bit, right?
See it there?
But what it's really built for, it's built for those nice hot summer days. You look at all the mesh, man. Used here in the arm, back of the jacket. You want to spin around real quick? Massive mesh panel back there. Like even the D30 back protector that's included, that thing's also got channels and holes in it, so it's going to preserve the ventilation properties, which is just awesome. While we're on the topic of D30, it also includes CE Level 1 certified D30 in the shoulder, elbow forearm, adjustable pocket. We'll show you that later on in the video. And then, of course, the D30 Level 1 back protector. So this comes as a complete package for how much?
$215.
And like you look at this particular colorway, like the styling is really pretty subtle, man. Like,
yeah, this is a super basic jacket. And for me, again, I'm not the biggest fan of Icon, but I think the past couple of videos we've done, I think my motto's changing a little bit. I feel like, honestly, for someone who wants a plain Jane jacket, likes all black with good armor and wants to flow a shit ton of air, this is it. And Alpine Stars, Icon, they did everything perfect.
And the price points are really strong, right? And I love that it's complete, because all the other brands out there at this point, when you buy the jacket, you get a pocket for the back protector.
Yeah, but you don't get the $80 back protector. Yeah.
Unless you buy it, right?
It's
that's kind of cool.
And for me, like, this would be perfect for spirited street riding because of course it's going to flow air, so it'd be nice to have in the summer. But like a full tuck on this jacket's awesome because of all that paneling throughout.
And look at the stretch. Like, I've never even seen a stretch panel shaped like that. But when you get into that aggressive riding position,
really good job.
I mean, it forms perfectly. It's got like a Raglan style shoulder, right?
This is legit.
For
$200, this is pretty awesome.
Yeah, I mean, how do you beat it for $215?
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
So,
if you like what you see so far, you want a little more detail, we're going to take this jacket off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The all-new Icon Overlord 3 Mesh Jacket from the inside out. This jacket, like we talked about earlier, comes with a full complement of D30 armor. This is all Level 1 CE certified. Your elbow forearm profile, shoulder, and back pad. I can't stress enough what a value add that is. You know, while most of the other manufacturers out there are just giving you a pocket where you can buy something extra, Icon is including a quality piece with each jacket. The Overlord 3 Mesh comes with a fully removable quilted vest liner that zips in and out, couple of snaps right around the underarm area to make sure it's held in securely. Shell of the jacket itself, I mean, obviously the theme here is wear light and ventilate big time. Look at all the mesh on the back of this jacket, man. Believe this detail down here is reflective, not 100% on that. Little drop tail like they're doing with all their other jackets. That's done in a little heavier denier, ballistic type nylon. Get into the arm of the jacket. Large mesh panel. Little stretch fabric here in the inner arm. A uniquely shaped motion panel that kind of spans right from the shoulder area into the elbow area. Using all that ballistic material up there on the shoulder. Sleeve of the jacket itself, there's a reflective detail right there. Locking zipper in the cuff. And if you leave that zipped open, it's finished in mesh. Honestly, being a full mesh jacket, I don't know that I really see the necessity of that, but it's there anyways. Volume adjustment is provided right here with textile and Velcro. Very large hand warmer style storage pocket. I wear a 2X glove. I could get my hand in there with any glove on, no problem. Front of the jacket, Icon logo, split by the zip, massive panels of mesh, top and bottom. Heavy gauge main zipper. Get inside the coat, nice comfortable mesh liner, feels great against your skin. Zippered storage pocket over here on the left breast. This also is going to include in here a little stash pocket with the St. Christopher medal. That's been included in every jacket that Icon's ever made since day one. Kind of cool. There's your pocket for your back protector here. All in all, and then we got a little comfort fabric here on the collar, right? Keeps it feeling good against the skin. Okay, we want to give you a quick look at their adjustable elbow armor pocket. So what they've done here, can you see those 3 levels of stitching? Those are variable height pockets, okay? If you're in the first one, higher up the sleeve. Second one, down about an inch. Third one, down maybe as much as 2 inches. Just give you an idea. There's just multiple layers of that mesh fabric that are inside there. We're all shaped a little bit different, and it's nice to have the flexibility to locate the armor in the spot most beneficial for you. I like this jacket. I mean, the $215 as of the time we're shooting this video retail price point, I mean, that's super affordable. And when you look at the quality of the jacket, the full complement of armor, the included vest liner, I think there's a lot of value. It's a good looking jacket. They offer it in some different colorways. To see that, just visit the website. You can check all that out. I think a lot of value. This thing's a win. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.